This video will discuss the procedure to replace the rear wiper blade insert on a 2003 Toyota Highlander using a genuine Toyota blade insert. The manufacturer part number is 85214-31010. Note, this procedure is applicable to any Toyota Highlander from the year 2001 through 2011. The existing wiper blade insert is dry rotted and partially ripped. The cost of a wiper blade insert is roughly 2/3 less than the cost of buying a complete wiper blade assembly. Initially, I placed a towel covering the glass to prevent potential damage in the event the blade arm accidentally strikes the glass. It is not necessary to remove the blade assembly to replace the rear wiper blade insert. The next step is to remove the existing wiper blade insert. To do this, simply hold the top end of the rubber and gently maneuver the old insert out of the clips. Next, remove the two corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors on the old wiper blade insert. Then, carefully install each of these corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors onto the new wiper blade insert. There is no direction to the rear wiper blade insert. There is no notching on the corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors. Therefore, they can be installed in any direction. Once the flexors are snugly installed, gently maneuver the blade onto the assembly. Be gentle and ensure that each clip is correctly installed, and check your work. Congratulations, we did it. The job is complete. Remove the towel and gently set the blade arm against the glass. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.